Looking for a cleaning cloth that actually works without falling apart the moment it gets wet? WypAll General Clean X60 multi-task cleaning cloths promise just that. These towels absorb water faster than traditional rags and stay strong through every wipe. If you're tired of flimsy paper towels or worn-out rags that leave residue behind, these cloths are worth your attention. What sets WypAll General Clean X60 apart is the smart combination of HydroKnit technology and a reinforced structure. This means you get a lightweight cloth that soaks up more than twice the water compared to regular rags, yet remains durable whether it's wet or dry. No adhesives or binders here, just a clean wipe every time, without any sticky leftovers. I've personally used these for everything from grease removal to solvent cleanup, and they never disappoint. Plus, they come in a convenient brag box dispenser, making it easy to grab one cloth at a time and reduce waste. Customers swear by these towels. One reviewer put it simply, "If you think you don't need them, you actually do." They're strong enough to replace dish sponges and perfectly sized at 11.1 by 16.8. Unlike typical paper towels that tear at the first sign of moisture, these hold together and can often be reused a few times before disposal. That durability not only saves you money but also cuts down on waste, a smart choice for both your budget and the environment. Worth a look if you want a reliable, cost-effective cleaning solution. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine with towels that deliver real results, WypAll General Clean X60 multi-task cleaning cloths are a solid pick. Whether you're tackling grease, solvents, or everyday spills, these cloths stand up to the task without breaking down. Try them when you're ready to experience stronger, more absorbent cleaning that lasts longer and wastes less.